We'll guide you through how to download and install TikTok on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there's so much entertaining content on TikTok, so you probably want to get it on your computer. To do so, just come to the bottom and click on the search, and you need to type in Microsoft Store. This is basically an app store for Windows, so go and click on it like so. Then head to the top and you want to click on search, and all you need to do is go and search for TikTok, just like this. Go and take a couple of seconds, and here it is here. Then what you can do is go and click on it, and you can then go and click on get, like so. You will need to sign into a Microsoft account. If you haven't got one, then click on use a different account at the bottom and click on continue. And then what you can do is where it says no account, click on create one, and you can go and create your account. After you've signed in or created your account, it will then go and start downloading. Go and wait. After it's finished, the button will then go and say open. You can click on it and TikTok will then go and load. And here we are, you can now go and start using TikTok on your computer. If you want to, you can go and sign in the top right, but yeah, it's that simple. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.